So we are in Kyoto, Japan, the ancient capital. And this is a famous street for having arguably the two most famous and exclusive ryokans in Japan. To the right is Hiragiya. And to the left is Tawaraya. So last time I have a video of our stay at Hiragiya, but this time we are staying at Tawaraya. Very discreetly nestled in the Higashiyama district of Kyoto. Not ostentatious at all. And again, very discreet. It's kind of a winding entrance to so that things don't people aren't seen. Ohayou gozaimasu. So this is the entranceway. And this is what's called a Byōbu, a folding screen. Most likely very historic. And all of the decor furnishings are to match the seasons. So right now it's fall or early fall. It's the year of the cow, so they have cow decorations. There's stairs that go up. Fear not, there is an elevator for mobility challenged guests. And this is the main, what they call nakaniwa, or the interior garden. And again, this changes with the seasons. I don't know what these plants are, but for instance, during the early spring, they have sakura cherry blossoms. In the fall, later in the fall, they might have momiji, or the little maple trees that they plant here. The whole thing gets overhauled almost on a monthly basis from what I'm told. Let's see. Many little nooks and crannies. Little sitting area here. And so moving along. Very mystical feeling. This is the a small lounge area. You can just chillax to the max. Again, all of these things are laid out based on the seasons and or month. I'm not sure which, but so every time you stay here, it might be like a completely different place. And this is a library with a view of the garden. Interesting, you have to kind of duck to get in. So coming this way, coming back, various hallways leading to 18 total rooms. There is a second floor. A map of ancient Kyoto. Ohayou gozaimasu. And then there is a little gift shop. Various confections, towels, yukata, either made by Tawaraya, branded Tawaraya, made by local artisans. They do have a larger shop nearby. So moving right along. Gardens throughout. Ohayou gozaimasu. Little sitting area. It's pretty incredible how serene this place is, given that it's in the heart of Kyoto. Some more little decorations. So anyways, this is Tawaraya Ryokan. It's part of the property grounds. There's a second floor. There's a library, a larger one, but it's closed during the day. So anyways, so this is a part of what makes it special. There's a story and explanation and history behind every aspect of what's here, which I will not go into detail. But hopefully you might feel it like I do. Tawaraya Ryokan in Kyoto.
仏教が伝わってきた頃は狛犬と獅子が一通になっております。これで矢を放つということになっております。はい。
左が
狛犬、左が狛犬で口を開けているのが獅子でございます。狛犬はもう角がある場合とない場合がございまして、はい。
狛犬って狛ってそういう
はい、普通にこう犬ってかなんて駒を書きますけど。す
ごいな。でこれは今の季節のものなんですね。
毎月、多い時は月に2回ほど出来を開させていただいております。
そうか。でそこの中庭にある、
はい、
その花がこれと一緒ですか。
そうでございますね。秋草でございます。秋草標準でございますので。で秋の重陽の節句は着せ綿ということをしまして、菊の花に着せ綿をしまして、露を朝の露を綿に染み込ませて、それで顔とか体を清めて美容と健康を維持すると、昔の方たちや昔の貴族の方たちですね、されていた名残でございますね。着せ綿。
ありがとうございます。Tawaraya Ryokan, we have already checked in. We had stepped outside. So let's walk in. Tadaima.
リーダー様。はい。
寿の。
はい。どうぞ。
お邪魔します。
いいでしょうか。
はい。
はい。お帰りです。
お帰りなさいませ。
ただいま。
ありがとうございます。
And you take your shoes off here. And こうやって靴を脱いで。
はい、でこちらお部屋の鍵でございます。
はい、ありがとう。
ありがとうございます。
どうぞ。
ありがとうございます。
はい、
すいません。
どうぞ。
いらっしゃいませ。
Very comfortable place. So Tawaraya does not really have a lobby or a lounge, just rooms that's just how it's been. 18 rooms total. And this is back to our room.